Hello to everyone. Today's video is about a fruit that almost everyone loves, from child to adult. Almost everyone loves to eat bananas, and we are harvesting our tissue culture gene and variety, which I have grown in my farm. Or you can call it a small garden. And this is how you can do it. This must be done by only hand, and we will also show how the ripening process of the bananas are done inside home. This is also a good harvest. As you can see, there are multiple bunches, and in each bunch I think there are around 20 to 22 bananas. That means our harvest is very good and yield is very good. After collecting all the branches from the main stalk, we will start the process of ripening, and this is the last one. If you want to know how I have grown these at my home, you can watch the video, link in description and in suggestion also. As you can see, the harvest is very good, I think. And now these are going to first wash with good water. As you can see, we'll thoroughly wash every bunch because there are many left. As you can see, flowers. There are flowers of bananas all over the water, as you can see. And the main cause we will washing these, the sap from the banana flower, as you can see I am washing it, we will cause rotting of the banana if it not washed. So before we start process of submerging in ethylene water for ripening, we must wash it thoroughly with clean water. As you can see, the sap from the bananas have turned the water into black, almost black. You can know how much sap there should be clean. And this is the last one. We have washed the banana. Now we will start the ripening process. At first, we will take some water. As you can see, these are all dry. Actually, we have left the banana for 1 day, and this is Amna putting ethylene in the water. This chemical is not so harm. This is all natural process. Almost every fruits you eat are ripened by this system only. We will add these in water with ethylene and wash it again with proper motion, and you will see that every banana should fully submerge in water, and that's I'm also want to do the process. As you can see, she is very much happy, and actually all children are happy if they are doing some activity. And we have done the basic thing, that is submerging the banana in water with ethylene. This is a hard process, as you can see. Every part of the bunch should touch the water with the ethylene, otherwise the ripening will not done, and Amna is consistently working hard, as you can see. Now these are the last one, after which we should keep them an open place to dry out all the excess water, and that's it. There is no rocket science behind it, and we have almost finished. And we have placed it in a dry place, and after 3 days you can see the bunches are very much ripened, and Amna is eager to eat them, but she don't know how to open it, and I will help her. As you can see, the colors have already changed from green to yellow, and this is the fruit we were expecting to eat. She is very much enjoying it. After all, it's her hard work that all the bananas are ripen. And please like and subscribe my channel. It motivates me to do more hard work and provide you a good quality videos. Keep commenting. Bye bye.